Hi, this is Jasmine, and Addy's sleeping right now, and she's been making some weird, funny noises, and I wanted to get her on film. I know she's gonna kill me for this, but it's just so funny. There she is. You probably can't hear her little moans. I wonder what she's dreaming about. She's probably dreaming about her new boy. And their wedding night or something. Well, does anybody have any ideas what you might be dreaming about? Oh, that's so funny. She's probably running in her sleep like a dog. Alright, well, that's about it. Yeah. So, Addy, say goodbye. She's sleeping.